More news coming in. A three-member SIT formed to probe the case. SIT reaches Patiala, speaks to Colonel Pushpinder. Colonel Pushpinder sought deference of appearance. Case now before Punjab and Haryana High Court. Colonel Pushpinder sought transfer of the matter to the CBI. We're getting in details as far as the matter of Colonel Pushpinder is concerned. A special investigation team has reached Patiala at this point in time. Speaking to Colonel Pushpinder, Colonel Pushpinder sought deference of appearance. Case now before the Punjab and the Haryana High Court. Colonel Pushpinder sought transfer of the probe to the CBI is what we are learning. It's a three-member SIT that has been formed to investigate this matter. This has got to do with the road rage incident that we're reporting on. Meanwhile, an SIT has reached Patiala speaking to Colonel Pushpinder. This is the assault case that we are reporting on at this point in time. An SIT has been now formed, a three-member SIT formed to probe this matter. SIT has reached Patiala and is speaking to Colonel Pushpinder as we speak. Meanwhile, the army, we know, has called for a fair and transparent probe into the colonel's assault incident in Punjab. Colonel Pushpinder sought deference of appearance. The case is now before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Colonel Pushpinder sought transfer of the probe to the CBI. I'm going straight across to Kamal for more details on that story. This matter has escalated in how, and now a three-member team, an SIT team, is now going to be probing this case. Kamal, take us through the details. I believe they've reached Patiala already.
See, Punjab Police has been doing a lot of firefight as far as this entire case is concerned, with the highest echelons of the Indian Army now being involved. And yesterday there was a joint press conference which was done by Lieutenant General Mohit Wadhwa as well as DGP Gaurav Yadav, and much of the explanation had to be done by the Punjab Police. They have already formed a three-member SIT. Now, just about yesterday, the team had gone to Patiala to speak to the Colonel, but the Colonel and his family had before the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where they have filed in petition talking about transfer of case from Punjab Police to the CBI. They want free and fair investigation. Now, there has been, obviously, the Punjab and Haryana High Court did pull up Punjab Police, saying, one, why there was unnecessary delay. There was a week's time before an FIR was filed on account of Colonel Pushpinder. There was an FIR filed earlier in the name of the dhaba owner, saying that this was done conveniently to hide certain mistakes of Punjab Police itself. So there has been a case where they have been trying to influence, but the way the army, the veterans and even the family has been fighting about this, this has obviously has gone much to the contrary of Punjab Police, who are trying to kind of douse the fire now by not only installing a SIT in place, but remember, the Colonel has now written a letter to the SIT. They have said they will not be able to present themselves, and they have sought deference, saying the matter is before the High Court, that they should be given time, and it's only when it is decided whether the case will be transferred to CBI should they be speaking. Meanwhile, our sources in Punjab Police indicate that 3 notices will be issued to Colonel Pushpinder to appear before the SIT, because remember, this is also about the reputation of Punjab Police at this point of time, which seems to be in tatters in this particular case in regards. There are at least a dozen cops being involved, all of them suspended, all of them transferred out. Meanwhile, an FIR has been now registered naming these accused, who are all Punjab policemen. And obviously, there is a demand for accountability as far as this entire case is concerned. So even as trouble mounts for all these suspended cops, it also is a lot of pressure on Punjab Police to act on it and act against these errant cops. Meanwhile, Punjab Police DGP Gaurav Yadav has called this an aberration, saying this is unusual and they will take it to a logical conclusion and obviously punish all those who found guilty in beating up the Colonel as well as his son Angad.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Kamal, getting in those details and putting that story into perspective. Three-member team, an SI team formed to probe the matter in connection with Colonel Pushpinder.